Have you ever had a problem with your unused old alarm when it randomly goes off, and you need to manually press the off button to turn it off even in the middle of the night? There are ways to turn it off permanently. Unfortunately, you have forgotten the needed passcode. Another way to turn it off for good is to call the company and pay some money. But if you don't want to spend any money, you can do the following to shut it down for good. First, open the case. Depending on the make and model of your alarm terminal, you may have a different way to open it. The idea is the same. Basically, use a screwdriver or something spiky and poke into the latching pockets like this to pop the cover out like this. Make sure you pop all the latches out. The next step is to look for the power supply cable. Usually it is in red or black. Unscrew. And remove it. Or just cut it off. And isolate it using an electrical tape. That is it. You will never have to wake up in the middle of night to turn the annoying sound off. Thank you very much for watching. Also, please subscribe for more.